Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in today's video we'll show you how to fix the error code on your Bosch bike. Alright guys, so the error code we're going to be looking at in today's video is the 503 error code, and the 503 simply means there is a fault with the speed sensor. So if you see the 503 error code on your bike, it simply means there's a fault with the speed sensor. This sensor uses a magnet on the wheel to detect speed and the error often stops motor assistance or shows no speed on the display. So basically, it happens when the sensor is unable to detect your speed, and then it's just going to stop motor assistance and also stop displaying your speed. All right, so what are the common causes of these issues? So the common causes of these issues are basically the spoke magnet is misaligned or too far from the sensor. So when the spoke magnet is too far from the sensor itself, you're going to be getting this issue. And then when there's dirt or debris on the sensor or the magnet itself, loose wiring or a damaged sensor, the damaged Bosch sensor, and then rarely a faulty sensor. So it's either the sensor is damaged or faulty. And what are the main fixes you can try? So most of the fixes actually start by locating the speed sensor on the chainstay near the rear wheel and the magnet on the spoke. So the magnet is usually on the spoke while the uh, speed sensor is near the rear wheel. So just make sure to clean both of them thoroughly and then align the magnet so it passes directly over the sensor's marked line with an optimal gap of 8 to 14 millimeters. So you can do that, and then you can also perform additional checks. So you can simply check the sensor wiring for damage or loose connections. Spin the wheel to ensure the magnet passes cleanly. So you know your sensor is working, and then if that works or if it doesn't work, you can now turn off the bike and turn it back on to reset. So you can turn it off and turn it back on to reset, and then ride a short distance to test if the error clears and the speed displays correctly. Now, if this doesn't work, if it doesn't work, visit a Bosch e-bike dealer for diagnostics check, and then they can check for faulty parts, and that's it. That's how you can fix most of your 503 errors easily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.